Hello everyone. So this is my first year to report the AU Summit in Addis Ababa, the capital of Ethiopia. And I'm impressed by this magnificent building of the headquarters of African Union. And I heard it was built by some Chinese companies more than 10 years ago. Now, please follow me to have a look around. On this wall, here are many photos of African leaders. And you can see there is the photo of President Nelson Mandela from South Africa. So that is the Nelson Mandela Plenary Hall.
Such beautiful complex has changed the feature of the area, Addis Ababa. 55 foreign ministers, 55 ambassadors, 55 African leaders and invited guests could gather, could discuss African issue freely in a way that we have. China has contributed for all African countries by building such a diverse building.
This is my 5th summit here in this building. This building is one of the biggest in Africa. This is one of the best buildings in Africa.